8 News is taking action this morning, hearing more from the attorney behind a wrongful death lawsuit filed by Irvo Otieno's brother earlier this week. He's the man who died while in custody in 2023 at Central State Hospital.
8 News reporter Victoria Lucas spoke to the brother's attorney. She has the story.
This lawsuit is taking us back to the way beginning when Irvo Otieno was having a mental crisis at home in Henrico County, and a neighbor called Henrico police and they took him to Parham Doctors Hospital. And from there, that's when attorney Paul Curley says healthcare providers went wrong.
They're treated as criminals, and they're not. You know, these individuals who are suffering from severe mental illness can't do anything about their condition.
A 62-page lawsuit has been filed against HCA Health Services of Virginia for the alleged wrongful death of Irvo Otieno. Attorney Paul Curley telling our team Otieno's brother is filing the suit due to the Parham Doctors Hospital's two failures when he arrived there days prior.
Any hospital participating in Medicare or Medicaid, receiving money from the federal government, they are obligated to screen patients for emergency conditions, and if found, to stabilize that condition within the capability, of course, of the hospital.
Curley says these two failures are in violation of the Emergency Medical Treatment and Active Labor Act. Court records indicate those are what led to Irvo Otieno's foreseeable, senseless, and tragic death on March 6, 2023, when he died after a group of sheriff deputies and hospital workers piled on top of him.
Imagine suffering from mental illness and opening your eyes in a hospital bed, and you're surrounded by nothing but police officers. I mean, that only exacerbates the situation.
Another issue, court documents explain the hospital does have policies in place that follow federal laws protecting the use of force against patients, however, excludes law enforcement officials, including the Henrico County Police Department.
HCA's eyes, these federal rights statutes don't apply to the police, even though they're hired by HCA. It creates the environment where the acute conditions are only exacerbated by the presence of police officers.
Curley says HCA has not been served yet. We reached out to the health agency, and it says, in part, Parham Doctors Hospital was surprised and disappointed to receive this lawsuit 2 years after Mr. Otieno was at our facility, and stands behind the care and treatment its healthcare team provided to Mr. Otieno. You can find the full statement on our website at wric.com. Reporting in studio, Victoria Lucas, 8 News.
All right, Victoria.